Kindle Kings. Low-content book publishing. Kindle Kings, publishing low-content books on Amazon, is a hot trend nowadays, and we have created the most complete and quality system around it. Show your list a proven-to-work method of real passive income, selling low-content books, such as notebooks, planners, etc., on Amazon. With our proven step-by-step system, they can create their own publishing empire. Kindle Kings front end, $12.95. 15 training videos. How to find hot niches and create their books. How to create the cover. How to create the interiors. How to list the book on KDP. Keyword research tools. Marketing the books. Kindle Kings upgrades, 101 DFY interiors, $47. A DFY package proven to convert. Interiors can take a really long time to create. We offer 101 interiors to your subscribers, covering all the hot niches and types of books, journals, planners, notebooks, etc. KDP ATM DFY package, $47. Another DFY package of 50 covers. We know these convert like crazy. Like the interiors, these can also take a lot of time to create. Not all of us are designers, meaning that this upsell will be useful to the most of the buyers. Plus hot niches report with the hottest niches, plus keyword research with more than 2,500 keywords for those niches. Kindle Kings Elite, $37. Advanced training on topics like keyword research, more ways to sell the books, a hack, and more. The solutions to the major problems in KDP. How to grow your KDP bookshelf in thousands of books fast. How to create the best KDP listings that are destined to sell. How to expand your sales outside Amazon. A hack to maximize your profits. 2-on-1 coaching, $147. Your subscribers will have the option to book a call with us. Both of us will be on that call. We will share with your subscriber the most advanced secrets and tactics when it comes to low-content book publishing. That is alone a huge value service to give. Low-content book publishing.